Hello guys, you're welcome to our channel once again, and how you guys doing? All right, so we've been having a lot of fantastic week already, and things are happening the way we expected it. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, guys, you are missing out, okay? Because we are releasing a potential things like watch out, like Bitcoin. We know that it's going up. Last 3 days ago, we made a video on one of the coin CHR, and I told you guys when the coin was still in 154 Satoshi. And in case you've not watched that video, you can check the video. Is like the title of the video, warning to Bitcoin holder. You can check the video yourself and you will see the prediction I make on this coin, guys. I told you guys to fill in your bag with this coin because it's going to explode. Then I bought in at actually at 145 Satoshi, and that was CHR. And you can see, guys, you can see today you can see where this coin has been to today. CHR actually blew up. You can see it went to 1,000 plus Satoshi, guys. So if we stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you another potential I call them shit coins because I don't even understand what they are doing, okay? But irrespective of the fundamentals, we are just leveraging on the technicals, okay? We look at the patterns, we understand, we see what the market is doing, and we take advantage of it. If that interests you, kindly stay to the end of this video. And I'm going to show you today what we think Bitcoin is doing and how to position yourself in the next Bitcoin bull run, guys. All right, so kindly subscribe to this channel, guys. Kindly subscribe. So it's obvious, and we have completed the head and shoulder pattern, guys, which we completed here. And you know one thing about head and shoulder pattern, and most times once it's completed, is always the target is always the neckline. That is measuring from here to here. You can take this in for the break of the shoulder pattern. You can see that our target will definitely be 60,000 to 62,000 plus, and that would be a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Now, anytime Bitcoin breaks all-time high, check histories, you always see that it's always with a massive volume, okay? Yeah, Bitcoin always break all-time high with a massive volume, and a lot of crazy move always happens that time. So now, there's something I actually discovered that I want to ask. If actually we are going to do 0.618, the golden ratio at this time, actually, if that happened, like if you take a scenario of what Bitcoin has been doing in the past, like from the beginning of this bull cycle, okay, beginning of this bull cycle, then there's something always familiar in any bull cycle. If you take the Fibonacci here from the beginning of this bull cycle, that last year March, and take it to this point, okay, you will see that 0.618 is right here before this correction took place. Okay, we have the 0.618, the golden ratio at this point, and it corrected himself. And let's take another look of it here. Let's take another measurement from actually to here. You also see something similar, that Bitcoin actually retraced at this 618. So let's, based on what has happened in these two cycles now, if you take another measurement from here to here, all right, so the current price now, so 618 will definitely be at $76,000, guys. $76,000. So that would be, would that be the next stop for Bitcoin? All right, would that be the next stop for Bitcoin? Okay, so because it has happened in two cycles now, and we've seen that repeating, like this. If actually this happens the same way, that will be the third time it's repeating in this cycle. So, and you notice one thing here, that actually this last correction was actually a head and shoulder pattern, just like this one. I think you begin to see similarities now. You see head and shoulder pattern here. That this breakout here formerly was also a head and shoulder pattern. You can see that clearly. This is a head and shoulder pattern, okay, and it actually break, and it retested it here, and that was the 618. So the same thing applies here. Head and shoulder pattern is retesting it here. So are we going to see the 76,000, guys? I think likely that might be. So we're expecting that 76,000 as this breakout will happen probably this week, guys. Probably this week. Okay. So that is what we'll be expecting. Don't touch that Bitcoin because everything looks green, guys. Everything looks green. So wait for that next move, and it's coming. And we're expecting 76,000 before we have another correction that might happen. Okay. So having said that, if you take a look of Ethereum, everything is still looking the same way. You know, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they move together. You see head and shoulder, and everything looks the same way. You see that head and shoulder on this, and at the break of it here, you see it's going up. So what we are seeing now is a retest of it. So we might see another pullback, a little pullback, then before Ethereum start going, guys. So the same thing applies here, guys. If you take this is one of the major corrections that have been happening all this while. So this is a minor one. This correction is minor. This one is a bit major. Okay, so you might take a measurement from here, from the beginning of this to here. So that might take Ethereum to like 2,900 plus. That's 2,938. All right, 2,938, like probably $3,000 range. That might take Ethereum to that range, guys. Okay, so now almost all the coin, I think Ethereum is very bullish here. It's very bullish, guys. So don't touch them. Bitcoin, Ethereum, don't touch those guys because they are very strong here. They are looking very strong. Okay, so that's just what we are seeing from this market here. All right, so before we call it a day, as I promised you guys, I'm going to show you one of the coin that actually has a potential of blowing up. You see, there's something I actually discovered of recent, and which is true. If you go to, let me show you the coin before I don't even know what actually they present. This is that's CDT, guys. CDT. The name of the coin is CDT. Okay, the name of the coin is CDT. Now, this coin, based on technical, is set for, you know, a blow. Okay, it's set, seriously set. It has been, you know, plunging all this while since 2018. It has been going down. You can see that since 2018. I don't have any clue about this coin. I don't know what it represents. I don't know who is behind who. I don't have any clue whether they are real or not. But the only thing I am looking at here is, guys, what the market is telling us. Okay, what the market is telling us. So this is an indication that the market is set to move. Okay, based on our strategy. And so what are we going to expect here, guys? We're going to expect a very massive bull run. Okay, we're going to expect a very massive bull run in the next coming weeks, guys. So if that's what, if you think you can take that risk, okay, you can see actually this coin fell from 2018, wow, 14,000 plus Satoshi to down to 46 Satoshi. So if actually it goes, wow, if actually this coin goes, let's assume it goes to break this, that's 1,975. So that will be like how many percent? How many percent from here? That will be like 2,000 to 2,500%, which is likely. It's possible, guys. It's possible. Okay, it's possible that this coin will do this within the next 1 or 2 weeks. You see, the most credible coins that is performing wonderfully now is most of this coin that you call shit coins. Okay, now let me show you. Look at this. This is a Binance charts. Okay, you can see. You see today CHR is topping over 141 something percent. You see all these coins that is doing massively well now, like 60% in a day. Go BST, all these coins now. Bitcoin and Ethereum can have this gain in a day. Okay, so one thing that you should have in the back of your mind is that, you know, fast profits also can result to fast loss if care is not taken. So that's why we always trade this thing to double our Bitcoin. Like my CHR, I've closed some of my trade. Already on my this. Okay, I was even actually expecting 486, and now I closed some already. So if actually shows me a sign for the next market, I will definitely join the market again. Okay, so I trade altcoin or some of these, shit coins to double my bitcoins. Okay, and that's what I expect you to do. All right, guys. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, kindly do so, because what I'll be doing now is that for you guys, I'll be taking look of these coins. So anyone I see that has a very good setup, okay, anyone I see that have a very good setup from these shit coins, I will update you guys, tell you my take on it and how to position yourself on it. Okay, but the one I'm telling you now is this CDT. Okay, so if you think you can take the risk, why not? I'm already in the trade already, so so let's wait and see how it goes, guys. Tomorrow or next, I will update you guys on the performance of this coin. See you in the next video. Kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share it to your friends. Now this is where it's happening. We're updating you guys on what we see from the market, unbiased analysis, and how you can position yourself to make the best out of it. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video.